We're so excited to reveal the kitchen remodel we've been working on for the last few months. This particular project was all inspired by the kitchen sink. Our clients love that classic all-white traditional kitchen, and when we heard that Blanco was introducing a concrete gray color in their apron front sink, we knew that it would be the perfect focal point for this kitchen. We knew that it would break up all of that white and give it just a little more depth and dimension. You can see that the veining in the Carrara marble ties in so nicely with the concrete gray sink, and we've got the arched faucet here that makes a really stunning focal point underneath the kitchen window. We were able to keep the original footprint in this kitchen. We had two nice windows that let in a lot of natural light. There was natural placement for the sink and the stovetop. So we just changed out the appliances, updated the hardware, and gave the cabinets a fresh coat of paint. We went with a cup style drawer pull, which looks really nice with the traditional style that this client loves, but it feels a little more current and updated. Ultimately, we designed a classic, timeless, white kitchen, but this Blanco sink really is such a stunning focal point. It brings the entire space to life and gives it something just a little bit different and unexpected.